we're so lucky and fortunate in a way that after this pandemics and all this thing, we get to learn about new things, or we get to celebrate about new events and all this. This is not new, but this is new to us. Today is the 52nd Earth Day celebration under the theme Invest in Our Planet. The theme is Invest in Our Planet, and this year is this is a kind of like a message or a steps asking or challenging governments, corporations, and citizens like you and me to step out and do something concrete so that we can protect our environment. Not only protecting the environment, it also adds that like we need to play a more active role to look around us and to do whatever things possible in our own means so that we could bring about changes in our surrounding, in our community. We can be involved in activities. What we have done this morning is very encouraging and very worthwhile. Okay, say like you bought the flowers. Even you can like clean your surrounding. Even if your teacher is not forcing you to clean your classroom or your surrounding, also you can at least pick up one wrapper or like a piece of paper and put it in the designated places. That is also a role you are playing as a volunteer, okay, as a protector of your environment. Also, where you can put the biodegradable waste and then make it into manure. I love plants and all the things. Even the butterflies and all this, they are the pollinator, okay? If you kill the butterflies and the insects and the bees and all this thing, the flowers won't bloom, okay? I'm telling you. Even if it blooms over, it would not like bear fruits and all this thing, okay? So why this? I want you all as a child here sitting in the classroom, in the school, that you learn something positive, okay? So you will be the caretaker of our environment, okay? Okay, the forest, the animals, the birds and the butterflies and all this thing, okay? So those are the things, and you know very well that there are many hazards the environment is facing in the forms of like this climate change. This is one of the biggest things, okay, that is affecting every one of us. You get it? You as a student, you won't know much about it, but your parents at home will be worried sick, okay? Because the rain is not coming on time. There is like, they will start deforestation, like cutting down all the forest cover, the canopies and all this thing. They are the umbrella, they are the lungs, okay? The river, the forest and all this thing, okay? If we destroy all this thing, that means one day you will see, you won't have like clean air, you won't have clean water, you won't have anything. No resource will be left for you, okay? Okay? You must have heard about the extinction of species in your like environments, education and all this thing. If you are careful, if you are an active participant, if you are really into protecting your environment and all this thing, no one will come after you and force you to do. You will see around you and you will know what step you have to do. Okay, that's my only prayer. And there are some beautiful quotes as well. You may think like this Earth Day, where you are supposed to protect the environment, is only like the government job or the big corporations or like the big shop in the village or like in the district or in the state. It's not, okay? In the Bible also it's written in Psalm 24:1, okay? When you go home you'll see Psalm 24:1 clearly writes, it says that the earth is the Lord, the fullness thereof, the world and those who dwells therein, okay? This earth doesn't belong to us. It's made by God, it belongs to God. It belongs to the children, okay? Okay? So just because like, I am an adult, okay, cut down the tree, I'll kill the butterflies, the insects, I'll cut down the flowers, or I will litter the surrounding. I'll use as much plastic as I want, I'll buy as much as I want. It's not that, okay? That is the wrong mentality. That is the wrong steps we will be taking if we follow that, okay? Stop doing those things, okay?
I participate in digital action.
I participate in digital action
To help protect the environment.
to help protect the environment.
I pledge to remind my friends,
I pledge to remind my friends,
family and others
family and others
about the importance of greening their daily actions.
about the importance of greening their daily actions
In order to protect the nature,
in order to protect the nature,
essential for future generation.
essential for future generations.
Class 9A, Lhingneilhai.
And
And it's written Government Higher Secondary School Ahthibung, Nagaland, Earth Day Certificate 2022. The theme is Invest in Our Planet, awarded to Lhingneilhai for making the commitment to protect our world by going green. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. That is a proverb by the Native American. Chinhoilam from class 9 section D. And Lamthuamlal from class 10.
Right now I haven't arranged, but I want to give 300 each to the 3 students who have done their best, performed the best, because even on the one which you received now, it is written there on the frame that we have to protect our planet to go green, no? Something is written like that. It is the planet is, this is the only planet where we have the opportunity to sustain our life. Otherwise, there's no other second planet, or there's no other planet where we can live like we are living on Earth. And unless we don't protect them, it may go wrong any moment. And there's a chance of the planet becoming hazardous for our sustainable. And all these things we will be aware that for all those things, we need to do our best to protect our planet. And here, 3 of our friends have got some, in a form of some little award, but it's not actually award, but we have acknowledged them for their performance. In the same way, those people doesn't acknowledge us, it doesn't matter. But the nature and our environment will acknowledge us in a more benefit way. Thank you.